Welcome to Adolescent Development. I'm really excited to be your teacher, and I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to this course so that you know what to expect. Now, with Lesson 1, you will be getting an introduction to a couple of things. If this is your first time using iLearn or iLearn 3.0, then you'll need to spend some time getting to know how that system works. If this is your first time doing any online classes, there is an introduction to that. And as well, it will be, um, you'll be getting an introduction to how this course works. So let me just go ahead and show you where you can find some of those things. Right here in the course, you'll want to make sure you're in Child 320, Section 2. And in the content section is where you're going to find all the content of the course. Over here in the welcome, you can find information where, anyway, you can learn about the course here in the syllabus. You're going to need to this week make sure you read through the syllabus and take the syllabus quiz. That would be found in the quizzes section here. You will also need to take some time and watch the introductory videos to online learning. Those are important if you've never done an online class before. They'll let you know that this class, like other 3-credit classes, will probably take 9 to 11 hours of your time every week. If you don't have the time to dedicate to this class, then you might want to think about taking this class another time when you have that many hours a week to dedicate to it. If this is your first time using iLearn 3.0, then right here is where you can access videos and tutorials on how to use iLearn 3.0. If you're having lots of technical difficulties, here is a great place to start. Now, don't forget that there's always the Help Center, the BYU Idaho Support Center right here. They help with any technical issues that you may have, and they are going to know more things than I will about how to solve your technical problems. Now, full disclosure, this is my first time teaching in iLearn 3.0, and I think there will probably be some difficulties or some challenges with that. So I want to let you guys know right off the bat that if that ever affects your score, if any of the problems that I'm having with running 3.0 affects your score, I will make sure and make it right for you so that your score is not affected. Just wanted to let you know. Okay, so for this week, you are going to need to take a look at the schedule, what we have scheduled this week. If you go to your calendar, it's going to show you all of the assignments that are due. Now, these are some of the things for my other classes that I am participating in. This right here, these yellow ones, this is our class. And you can see that next Tuesday the 19th, we have the icebreaker activity due, we have the let's talk about it due, and the syllabus quiz. Those are all due Tuesday at midnight. Next Thursday, we have the what do you know due, and next Saturday, we have lesson 3 becomes available. So it's a lot of stuff to take care of. Next Monday, your Let's Talk About It is also due, the final posts on that. So let's chat for just a second about what each of those assignments are. So if we go back to content, the icebreaker activity is the first discussion that we have, and you're just going to go through and introduce yourself to other students. Oh, before I go on to that, let me remind you, right here, this questions and conversations discussion board, this symbol right here means a discussion board. Questions and conversations, this discussion board is open all the time. And if you have questions about the course, the assignments, what's going on this week, if something's not clear, post it here. I will answer it as quickly as I get to it, and I'm going to try and get to them very quickly. And other students might have the same questions that you do, and that's a good place to look for answers before sending me an email. Now, of course, I am always open to getting emails. I have no problem responding to emails. On the weekends, I'm a little slower, but usually during the week, I respond within 24 hours. So please feel free to email me. And if you have questions that aren't being addressed, or if you'd like to talk to me in person, you can call me on my phone, or we can set up a Adobe Connect meeting, and I'll meet with you face to face over the computer. So that's an important board to have. Now, your first assignment that's due is this one right here. That's due next Tuesday, and it's the icebreaker activity. You go on here, introduce yourself, and read through some of your peers' introductions. it's going to surprise you how much you get to know your other peers through an online class because of the discussions. It's pretty eye-opening for me to see how well I get to know the students in my class, even though I've never met you in person. The next assignment here is the Let's Talk About It, and this assignment is where um, you discuss some of the things you're learning about. So this is more of an application type questions, and here you can see there's quite a few questions. Make sure you answer each of them, and it'll be a little easier if you either number them or bullet point them or include the question as part of your answer. So make sure you take a look at that. And then the what do you know assignment is the last one, and it is an assignment where you submit it to me. It's not a discussion board. And again, it's asking you to apply some of your understanding and some of your learning from the week and submit it in a journal entry style post. So I hope that helps clarify what some of the assignments are that you'll be doing. Um, as far as this course goes, make sure you plan ahead, get your assignments done early. I do not accept any late work. If there are extreme circumstances like death or hospitalization, I may consider accepting late work, but in general, I'm going to expect that you guys plan ahead and prepare, as this is an important life skill. Now, if you're feeling stressed out by the class, don't be. This is something that you can all do. Just make sure you take the time to familiarize yourself with it and get to know what you're going to be doing. And please contact me if you have any questions, any concerns. Again, I'm more than happy to help out with anything you need. So reach out to me through that questions and concerns conversations board, and also through email or anything else that you need. So anyway, I'm excited to work with you this semester, and yeah, let's talk teenagers.